coral restoration technician and a team member of the marine monitoring team. I'm a product of Tanapag Lagoon. The corals here is how I connect myself to my ancestors. My favorite coral is the blue coral called Heliopora, and you can find that all over the patch reef here in Tanapag. So in this job, in restoration, I am fortunate enough to work with someone else from the village, and someone with an understanding who is older than me. We are two different generations doing the same job with an understanding of the importance of restoration in our village of Tanapag. And my fellow co-worker's name is John Iguel. And what's nice about it is John was able to see the reefs when they were still blooming. He also saw it when they started deteriorating to its stage now. This reef is worth protecting, as the ocean or the lagoon here is where us villagers, we tell stories, we sit on the table, we could talk about the ocean, the reef, the whole night. What I call Tanapag Lagoon a nursery. Now, yes, as I've been fortunate enough to educate myself of the importance of corals and the reef, yes, I would consider now, with how protective the villagers are of this reef, I would consider it a nursery. So the corals that we have in the nursery right now are from areas that were affected by coral bleaching. A lot of the corals in the nursery were collected from here, from Tanapag, from the Tanapag reefs. So the corals we collected here in the lagoon survived massive coral bleaching events in 2017. We collected some of the corals here, and currently we are raising them in the nursery, and our goal is to put them back. Gihiningget ko este coraling para itempo ni tinakapodok ko para go and kita manu o sorda ido connection dan ni manenata ni man mufona sa parewan coraling maatan dan ni coraling ni taatan po. Pues nisita ta respeto man manaita ni man manenata para itanota dan famagunta.